morning. Well, I should say probably good afternoon. I got up this morning with the intentions of coming outside and getting busy. So I fixed some breakfast and listened to a little music, and then I watched some Mr. Peak videos, Mr. R. Peak, and then I messaged with our good friend Mr. Steve Rains, Mr. Cutworm. Watched some heavy Chevy videos, and next thing I knew is noon, or close to it. This old Dodge van, the rear U joint went bad on us when we were going to the night of destruction, and I've just about used up all the can of Get By, the cable and chain lube, squirting it in the U joint, and it's not going to go much further. So we're going to have to break down and put a U joint in. The trouble is, inside the garage workshop, there's no room. All my son's stuff is in there, and my stuff is in there, and somewhere under a big mountain of stuff is a vise and a workbench. So, I've come out, I went over to the super secret storage facility, and I came back with an old landing gear pad for a semi-trailer welded onto a 90-degree piece of tubing, and an old rusted up Colombian D46 vise. So, a can of blaster and a hammer. We're going to see if we can get the vise loosened up, mount it on the leg, put it in a Reese hitch, and then we will pull out the drive shaft and see if we can't push in an old, not an old, but a new U-joint. So, y'all stay tuned. You get to see a redneck in action. Yay. Well, let's see if we can't make a little something happen here. Got one out. Well, hole's not drilled too straight, and whoever made this will have to do a little filing to make it right. But that's for later. Get this old vise tossed up here. Well, none of the holes that were previously drilled in this are going to line up, so I got to go get the drill and some bolts and get busy. I'll bring y'all back. Well, I finally hammered on this thing enough where I got it taken apart. It's pretty rusty. See all this stuff? There's the screw. Guess I'm gonna have to find some kind of E-clip or something to put on this slot right here so it'll pull the vise in and out. There's the other part down there. I'm gonna get the wire wheel and get to cleaning this up. See what we can do. All right. I didn't video drilling the holes. You know, you've seen people drill holes many times. That's boring. I spent longer looking for the bolts and nuts than I have doing the rest of the job. They're too long, but the others I had were too short. We got it all freed up. Everything moves. So I'll bolt it down and see if I can put it back together. This thing never turns off. Always a struggle. All right, y'all. I got this thing done. Look at this. Door on old van shut right past that thing. I don't know if you can see. Oh, you can't see. I got it too close. There we go. All right, she's loose. She turns, opens up, closes, and it's raining. See the water there? Well, we got a vise that works, but still no U-joint. All right, y'all, I'm going in and get out of this rain. Hope y'all get something done. See you.